Hi, I'm Hank Hernandez, Urban Surfaces Product Specialist. Yeah, we had an opportunity to redo our wheel call area using our tried and true InstaGrip product along with our new InstaGrip Tile. InstaGrip is a LOOSELAY product we at Urban Surfaces believe in because of its beauty and durability with rolling loads and heavy foot traffic. Because this floor will be seen by our will call visitors, we chose a pattern that places stone and wood designs together beautifully. We began the project by demoing the existing flooring. And then doing subfloor prep. By utilizing our new large format 36 by 36 InstaGrip tile, installation moved quickly to minimize will call interruption. We're proud of this project and our products. The results speak for themselves.